Hi guys, it's me again, Gideon, your favorite virtual assistant, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you the exact way you can link your local bank account to your Google AdSense account for YouTube payments. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right in. For you to be able to link your local bank account to your Google AdSense account for YouTube payments, you need to be eligible for monetization. That is, you must have crossed the 1,000 subscriber count and also the 4,000 watch hour. Once you have done that, you head on to your Google AdSense account like so. Ensure that you must have created your Google AdSense account and linked it to your YouTube account to be able to receive payment. Once you have done that, ensure that you must have filled in your tax information and also you have done your verification. Once you click on payment like so, you can click on verification. Once you're on your verification session like so, ensure that your identity verification is completed. Once your identity verification is completed, then you'll be able to link your local bank account to your Google AdSense account just like so. You can head up to your payment info section like this. You scroll down and you can see the section that says how you get paid. On this section that says how you get paid, there's an option that says add payment method. You click on the add payment method just like this. Once you want to add your payment method like so, you have two options. That is to add a new wire transfer details, or you can add new check details. Once you click on add new check details like this, you get the address used in receiving your Google AdSense later. If the postal service in your country is good enough and does not give you a headache, you can go for this option to receive check. But I always advise you use the add a new wire transfer details. With this, the money will be sent directly to your local bank account instead of getting a check from the postal office. Once you're on this session like this, the next thing you'll be doing is to add these details. It said you should add beneficiary ID. This is optional, so you can skip this. They head on to the next session that says name on bank account. The name you used in applying or registering for your local bank. Ensure that if you're using 3 names on your bank account, the names should be exact form in which you use in registering your bank account. For me, I'll be using my name, that is Gideon Unah, just like so. Once you do that, they'll request you of your bank name. So for me, I make use of Sterling Bank. This is it, Sterling Bank PLC. So I make use of this bank. So for the Swift BIC, that is the bank identifier code, this is where most of us get it wrong. You can call your bank to get this code from them, or you can browse on Google to get your bank code. But I will always advise you use this link I'll be leaving on my description below to search for your bank and also the location to get your bank identifier code. So once you're on this website like so, you select your country. For mine, I'll be selecting Nigeria. Once you select Nigeria, then you select the bank you are trying to link to your AdSense account. That is Sterling Bank. So you can see it from the option here. It says Sterling Bank. I can choose Sterling Bank like so. Then the city, I can choose Lagos, just like so. Once you do this, you click on find Swift code. Okay, once you find your Swift code, you get it like this. So for this, you can click on copy. Once you click on copy, you head back to your Google AdSense like so. Then you can paste it here, just like so. And you can see the last XXX we have here. I always advise you take out the XXX. Your bank BIC is always an 8-digit or 11-digit. When you are using the 11-digit, the XXX simply means that you are supposed to replace it with the branch code. I will always advise you to leave your Swift code using the 8-digit, just like so. Then you can head up to impute your bank account number. So once you do that, your AdSense will ask you to type your account number to ensure that it's correct. Once you have done that, you click on save. I always advise you to go through your information again. Ensure that every information is correct, and once they are correct, you can hit on save just like so. So once you have linked it just like so, you have this option that says wire transfer to your bank, and you have that like so. And with this few process, you have successfully linked your local bank account to your Google AdSense account for your YouTube payment. In case you have any questions or inquiry, feel free to leave a comment on the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel and you're yet to subscribe, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you get updated each time I post amazing content just like so. I still remain your virtual assistant, Gideon, and see you in the next video.